the older one, jump on him bicycle. Listen, we see about never have nothing for me.
She's not your type of girl.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going off to Singapore. So Malaysia is very close to Singapore, and there you have it, men with gun, ratatata. We're not in the ghetto. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So Malaysia is quite close to Singapore, so it only natural that if I visit Malaysia, I have to visit Singapore. And here I'm in the airport in Malaysia, going off to Singapore. I had a bit of a problem getting into Singapore because I went from Malaysia, I think to Malaysia directly to Singapore, and I had a slight issue getting in because they had some questions about my passport. Or was it? No, it was a different country. I'm sorry, I'm mixing up the countries. But here I'm going to Singapore. Yay! Round of applause. I'm totally geeked out about this. Enjoy the vlog. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Let's go check the weight of my bags.
Scale. The check for weight. I just vibes, I know some not overweight, right? Rising 10 ways old. So we're gonna check out one today. This one is a bit different. Basically Q5. Wow, oh my god. This is my bag. This is our capsule transit will look. You have a safe, you have a bed. What? No camera one person. But then somebody sleep above you as well. Yep, that's what the capsule's are.
Okay, so right here I'm showing you what a capsule room looks like at an airport, where you can just sleep overnight and stay and relax and rest before your flights. Yeah, you have a bed, but it comes in bunk bed form, but that was pretty cool. You have a bed, you have a mattress, you have an individual space. Immigration in Malaysia, baby. Listen, we got checked multiple times. I don't know, but they were checking us. We were checked. Let's go.
Just now they were wondering if I need a visa to enter Singapore. I was like, Jamaican, I don't need a visa.
When I tell you that the flight attendant held up the entire plane for a good 30 minutes trying to figure out if Jamaicans need a visa to enter Singapore. Listen, I was annoyed. I was like, just Google it. Now we're in Singapore and I'm excited. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Come on. It's on Google. Come on. Anyways, hey, we're in Singapore. If you didn't know, you don't need a visa to enter Singapore. If you're a Jamaican, with a Jamaican passport. Bye. Singapore.
Airport, you just come right here. You can pick up your SIM card. You can do money exchange. If you book a SIM card on Klook, you can get your SIM card right here. Officially in Singapore, when you come, you exit over there and then you just come right here for your money exchange and your SIM card. If you book on Cook, you can pick up your SIM card right here. Now we're gonna get a grab. Now we're going to door number 3. Go to pick up.
Okay, so in Singapore, you can use the Grabber app to get taxi. It's like Uber, but it's cheaper and it's very reliable and safe. You can use it when you're in Singapore to get a taxi, and it's pretty good. I love my Grab drive.
Not to buy any entrance ticket. You go to take a look of the Marina movie side. You can go into a casino, take a look, although you don't play.
So take what to get in the casino? A loop?
You go to Sands.
Yes.
Sands Hotel.
Yes. Addis.
So you are the foreigner. You can go in free.
Really?
For us to go in, we have to pay $150.
What? Into the casino? Free?
Free. For the foreigner, it's free.
Oh. Which casino? Name? Sense?
Sands Casino.
Scent.
Sands, yes.
Scent.
Quick interjection. So this was Sands by the Bay at the Marina Bay. So yeah, popular casino. Definitely check it out.
Sands is famous in Las Vegas.
Yes.
Famous in Macau. Yeah. So they have
What? Free? I didn't know.
it's free.
Oh.
You can just go in, take a look, and have a free drink from them. Or maybe you can spend $10 to pull a jackpot.
Yeah.
Maybe you're the lucky one.
Maybe. Hopefully.
You get a big jackpot,
Big jackpot. Yes.
You don't need to spend much. You can just spend $20. That's all.
Interject again, I did not get that big jackpot, but you will see later on in the video how the casino experience went.
Maybe KL.
Listen, a girl can dream. Okay, a girl can dream. But
When I came to the airport, I'm like, wow, it's expensive in Singapore.
Yes, Singapore is expensive. But to be honest, if you long-term live in Singapore, it's still worth because the Singapore dollar you earn is much bigger.
More?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see, easily like your job in Singapore,
Yeah.
you can easily make 5 to 6,000 a month.
What?
Yes.
interject again, the driver really wanted to get me into Singapore. Okay, teachers, if you're a teacher out in the world, go to Singapore. The money's there. It's expensive, but the money's there. Bye.
The salary
Is it good?
also very high.
Oh.
And our tax is one of the lowest in the world.
That's the thing. In Japan, the taxes are high.
Our tax is very low.
Really?
But the rental are high.
Oh, rent is high?
Yes. For you to rent a house, I mean, you don't need rent a condo. You can always rent
An apartment?
apartment, which is like we Singaporean say. Okay, let me tell you. This is a private apartment. Can you see on the
Yeah,
right side?
so these are expensive?
Yeah, these are expensive.
Wow.
So further down, I show you. That is, we call it government built apartment. Only sell to the Singaporean local. Don't sell to the foreigner.
Foreigner. So you can rent this or buy?
For foreigner, you can buy this. You cannot buy the government built.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? But for local, we can buy in cheap the house. Why? Government subsidize it a lot.
Subsidized, yeah.
So you rent the kind of house, also cheap.
Renting a house is cheap?
Yes, you can rent a room for yourself.
Oh.
Maybe about $700-800 a month. Less than $1,000 a month.
Less than $1,000?
Yeah. Many foreigners, they work here, they do that. They know.
Oh, so shared house other people or me only?
You alone a room.
Oh, room.
Yes.
But apartment shared
Maybe have
house.
3 rooms.
Oh.
So you take a room.
Oh.
If you want the whole house, of course, you got to spend a few thousand bucks. I think not necessary, right?
Yeah.
Unless it's company paid. Otherwise, no point for you to spend a few thousand.
Yeah.
Just alone and live in a house so big.
Wow. But I always wonder if it's the economy is good here
It's good.
since
It's very good.
the cost of living is so high.
No, depend on, you must know how to spend your money in Singapore.
Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Yeah.
Like you need the right thing. You live at Gerang here. No, although it's a red light area, but never mind. Don't care about the red light, right? But the food, everything there.
But is the food like?
You see the right hand side, the apartment.
Yeah.
This is government built.
Oh, yeah.
These all are government built. Okay.
They look nice.
Yes. We live this apartment. 85% of the Singapore population live in this kind of apartment.
They look nice.
Yes. What I only say that no security. In Singapore, no need security. Okay. Singapore is very safe. Yes, 100% safe.
When I was coming, my mother said it is very safe.
Yes.
But in the airport, the securities have guns.
No, don't worry about Singapore, okay?
What?
And only thing that this type of house have no swimming pool.
Oh, no swimming pool.
But never mind. How often you swim?
That's true.
You can go to a public swimming pool. Just spend $2. You can swim the whole day. See how you go by the living, right? So,
but my question, you say it's safe, right?
Yes.
In Japan, the police no guns. They don't have guns.
We carry gun just for show.
But why in Singapore? Oh, for sure.
Yeah. They carry a gun, but they cannot.
Oh, they can't shoot.
Fire.
Oh.
They cannot shoot.
Oh.
Yeah. So
we're staying here. Dun, 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 dun. You walk in. And this is what's up, puppy? This is so cute. 76. So tiny. Come here, suitcase. Come on in. This me? Alright. Alexa, perfume all the time. Okay. The shower. Small, but neat. Mirror, beauty cleaner, and that. This is the bathroom. This is small. And the room. And I said outside tenement yard. Okay. I'm about to go chill with this one. Coffee and something like that, so.
So it's really hard to get a budget-friendly hotel in Singapore. So that was a bit of a challenge. However, the room was a bit small. Good pricing for this hotel, but I had some issues with the shower. It was hard to move the shower, the door, the glass door, so I had to change my room.
And there's dust on the chair and on the coffee table. Upgrade us to a bigger room. So let's see. Okay. We got a bed. And it's all clean. Once you hang on all of these things. Alright, come in. Come on in. Now let's see. Through the window. Oh, no, not now. Hopefully I can get my nice picture. This is the room. crushed, but iron scarce in these places. But I like cute, right? Alright, let me see. So this is the bathroom. Tissue. Shower stall, bigger. Thank you for that. You're in here with my shoes on, you know. It's big. Alright. Alright. Sink up here now, but what about no more on the outside? It's a bigger space. And we are
Okay, so this is the outside of my hotel. Really cute. And now we ordered a taxi on Grab. Download Grab if you're going to Singapore. This is a really beautiful street with a lot of cafes in this area and restaurants. I wanted to show my outfit so bad. I think I look really cute that day. I was extremely crushed, but I like the fact that I have these cute mirrors on the street so you can take nice selfies. A really cool area, really nice shops, and yep, there I am again trying to show my outfit, my crushed outfit, but I felt cute, so there's that. Some really fun cafes, photo booths areas that you can take pictures and stuff like that. Like the Korean type. Cool spots where people like do, you know, them have sense. They want you to come and support their businesses, but they also know that social media is a power in everything that we do nowadays. So they set up areas that you can take really cute shots while dining at their restaurants. I was trying to find a restaurant to eat on this day. Found one. The food was really good. Yeah. So watch me eat. Okay, so for dinner on the first night, we had some really good wings and French fries. That was like I wasn't really hungry, so I wanted something light, and plus I wanted a snack around for the evening, so I had something light, which was pretty good. Here I am trying to show off the outfit again, and yeah, having a really chill evening. I really like the fact that this street was really nice. You had some taco shops, you had pizza shop. It was like a Mexican town. So yeah, you had wings, a lot of options if you're there and you want to try something really simple. And if you just want to pick around and have some snack here, have some snack somewhere else, here I'm trying it for you, and they were really good. Trust and believe. Those wings, yes. And the sauce, they have a sweet chili sauce. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right, I'm done. So this was the inside of the restaurant. It was really cute. But a lot of people in the evening hours would dine outside on that long stretch of road. But I wanted to show what the inside looked like. Of course, again, it's given a Mexican theme, but outside is where the vibe is at. Yeah. So you see people outside is drinking, having a good time. And it's a mixture between locals and foreigners. So that was pretty cool. I went to the 7-Eleven to get some money change or water. Yeah, I went to get some water because I needed water for my journey. Look at me trying to be an influencer, leaving my camera behind. Here I am coming back for my camera like, give me this. This ice cream shop, that ice cream shop right there. Listen, 10 out of 10 would recommend that ice cream shop that I'm going into. Flavors, yummy. Look at me running back for the camera like, come on, give me my camera. But the flavors were really good. Allow me to taste it. The lady was so friendly. Of course, again, they wanted people to promote their stuff. So that allowed me to sit outside. There was a mirror outside. It was cute. I got a little simple, cute setup. Great flavors. Here, I'm going to ask him about the best flavors. Listen, lick my 10 fingers and my toes. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Really good. Look at me posing outside. Oh my God. I love traveling. Oh my gosh. I love it. Yes, my tummy should be international. Anyways, I'm gone.
So we have ice cream.
So I should add, while I was doing all of this fandangles, some university students were watching me, and they came over because they were doing like this mini survey, what I thought was different between Singapore and the country where I'm from. I am originally from Jamaica, of course, and I live in Japan. So I was telling them that the difference is that, after a certain hours, students are off the road. But in Singapore, like the students go home, change, come back out on the road, and they're having a whale of a time on the road. While, in Japan, students are out on the road late in the uniform because they have cram school. So yeah, there's that. They're not having a whale of a time on the road most times. But anyways, bye.
Okay, this is the wood, the agar wood, and this is all the synthetic.
Oh, they come in that bottle?
10 minutes.
Oh.
This is my favorite part of the trip, and my phone storage ran out. But listen, I enjoyed that part. The perfumes. Oh my god. I talk about it at the end of the video, so stay tuned to that. Here I went for breakfast. Yeah, check that out. But the perfume part, my favorite part. Singapore, go for Arabic perfumes if you're into that. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Check out breakfast. It was pretty good that morning. It was a bit different, but it was good. It was a bit different, but it was good. So stay tuned. Watch it. Watch the vlog. Subscribe, people. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you very much. And turn on your post notifications. This restaurant was so cute. It took me a minute to get there, but I got there. Hey, look for water bottle. Look for fancy water bottle. Excuse me? International. International. By the way, I love this outfit as well. I really love these cute, chill outfits. Yes, me kind of look button up because Singapore did I give hot and cold. Did I give bipolar? It was given bipolar. So yes. But I love my outfits. Look at me being simple, cute, and divine. Anyways, bye. Cute water in a cute glass. Anyways, my god. So let's talk about breakfast. So these are actually hash potatoes, hash browns, and eggs. The scrambled eggs are really good. The hash browns, they left the skin on them while we were doing them. It's more baked than fried, so that was quite interesting. The coffee, it was pretty good. It was hot. It was not sweet. But yeah, breakfast was really good. A bit different with the hash browns, but good.
Okay, so I'm back. So here we are at Marina by the Bay. It's absolutely beautiful. Trust me, it is just like in the pictures and in the movies. So this is Marina by the Bay Sands, where you have the hotel and the casino that I'm going to come back to later on in the evening, night, early morning. And this is the beautiful Mare Lion. What? Listen, a couple years ago, I was teaching my students in Japan about the Marina, a landmark in Singapore. And look at me now, actually visiting, looking at it. I didn't get to go up and touch it, but you get the idea. It is so cute. I'm using my gym ball and my tripod to try to capture the pictures and videos, but it is beautiful. Wow. Look at it. Yes, sir. International. International. It was so hard to get a good picture, but I tried. Now we're going to Gardens by the Bay. To see all the flowers and the bright lights. There's a song about bright lights or something like that. But look at it. It is just like in the pictures, in the videos, but trust me, you have to go there and experience it yourself. That's all I'm going to say. You have to go there and experience it yourself. I got my ticket. I'm going inside, baby. Everyone was been so helpful in this part. Down by the casino area, down by Mare Lion, at Gardens by the Bay. Everyone tried to assist.
So we're going to elevator. Okay. So you
Come on, Alice. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it's lunchtime and we went to the food court at Gardens by the Bay. They have a wide variety of restaurants from Singaporean type food, Vietnamese food, Korean, so on. However, I really wanted to try this Michelin star restaurant, and it's Hawker Chang, that's the name of it, and their chicken. There's a specific chicken there that is Michelin star. It was one of like the first, world's first Hawker Center type Michelin star restaurant. Hawker Center is basically like street food, like a big place that you can go and eat. So, the food. They said that the chicken is Michelin star rated, so it's supposed to be really good. We don't have much space so up there. Oh shit. Hand sanitizer. So we have coconut water. That's really good. Alright, so we're gonna try the noodles. You know, they have a piece of it is the piece of now. I'm slow. Let me try it. Noodles. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so this is the food court at Gardens by the Bay. Really cute. A lot of options are there, so you can definitely check it out, and a lot of seating areas. Harkachang, listen, they knew what they were doing. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so here are the tips for Garden by the Bay. Absolutely gorgeous. You have to go, if you want to catch the light show, you have to catch a spot early. As you can see in the videos, I'm showing you that people are sitting down on the ground. Some people got some seats, but you have to go early to get a good spot to see all the lightings. And baby, they did not disappoint. It's absolutely beautiful. If you love seeing bright lights and stuff like that, you should definitely check it out. It's super cool. Like, these are actual trees. I just want to add that the night lights in Singapore are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful place. So we're going to go to a casino. It's after 12, but we're going to try. I know I'm told up on the ground and all of that, but let's see. So we made it in the famous mall and we're going to the casino. So we made it here and now we're going to go to the casino. I mean, I hear people.
To the music, dangling to the beat, smiling distant strangers winking on my feet. Then I see the moonlight sparkling in your eyes. Oh, my body's frozen and my soul's on fire. Just follow me.
I have a luggage counter. I think I'm overdressed. Am I completely overdressed today? But could I wear singlets? Look how everybody's huh? Keeping a flip flop. Look at this also. Keeping a sneakers. Excuse me. Hello. Is there a bar I can sit? Bar, yeah. No bar, okay. Thank you. Food? Restaurant? Okay, thank you.
Mama, Mr. Whip, quick clip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try, cause when
Listen, I'm completely fucking overdressed. Jesus Christ. I'm embarrassed. I'm gonna cute still, so there's that. Okay, so here's a look of Marina Bay Sands casino. Absolutely beautiful. I was definitely overdressed for the occasion, but it's really cool experience, and let's see what they have to offer.
Alright, I don't know if you insert cash right or so. No? No. Insert card. Malfunction boys are paid. I don't insert cash. And then you have to like put it spend money. And then it comes alive. I can set the bed. Let's see. What do I do? What? How do I put it? I don't know. I'm putting the money. So what happened? What happened? I took my money. What happened just now? What is happening?
Why am I putting the money just now under the wrong thing? I'll lose me $2. Alright, somebody come and explain the game to me. I'm gonna try one more time. Somebody come and explain the game to me. I'm gonna try one more time. So make us one. Alright, we're putting the money. What are you putting? I'm gonna go and have our credit. Alright. Now that's it. Alright. Now we must just press. Press. Now then something? I think there was something. Okay, alright. Go again. Hold on. There was something? What? What was that? What's this? Alright, so we're gonna try this one now. They said the minimum to the rules here. The minimum a point 40. So make we do this. Go back. Insert. Jesus, in me, I'm looking all over. Alright. Take win start feature. Oh Jesus. Whoa. I have 40 credits. Bet. What? I can't bet. Whoa.
Wow.
Okay, so when you're finished and you're ready to cash out, you'd go over to this side and you would submit your receipt that you get from your machine, and then you just give it to them and you can get back your money.
Thank you.
So disclaimer, today is all about street food, local dishes, and we're in for a treat. Let's go. So first stop, we found this restaurant, a very small little shop, and they sell like Singaporean type patties for Jamaicans who know patty. Yeah, so they sell these type of patties. They have mutton, beef, all type. Here's the menu. Very reasonable and quite delicious. I love the thicker crust type ones. So here I'm showing you. I had it with lemonade, chef kiss, and that was for breakfast. Yeah.
restaurants, but I'm going to try the Thai barbecue. Hot pots. Wow. So many Thai street food. Alright,
Okay, so I found this really cool Thai restaurant, and I love Thai food. I got my own personal little coconut. Yay! It was sweet. It was good. It was really good. I had no complaints. And you know, once you get a coconut, you have to clean out the coconut. You have to take out the jelly out of the coconut. So here I'm trying to pose with the coconut. Hey, take my picture. Psh, I bet me. All right, then. Anyways, see. I got the coconut. The jelly was soft, it was easy to remove, and then I ordered my nice and that, and I got seafood, not shrimp, but seafood fried rice. It's a lot. It's really spicy, really good. They added mushrooms to it. I didn't mind. I'm not a mushroom fan, but I didn't mind it. It was actually really good. So here we're going to taste this. So the face right. The mushrooms are nice. Spicy. Going in for a second round. Ooh. Yeah. I'm so scared to talk to the camera. Ooh, so it's spicy. Come on. It was really spicy, but very, very good. I love that they put like shrimp in it and a lot of other seafood and sweet. So, yeah. Delicious. 10 out of 10. So right here I'm just showing all the state-funded apartments available in Singapore, and that was pretty cool. I really like that. You have convenience stores at the bottom. So this is called a quick story time of how I had to fight for my life in Singapore. No cap. Alright, some cap. So I was walking home, alright, walking back to the hotel. So my hotel is in Geylang. It's considered a red light district. And I went to close to Haji Lane. That's like where you can get where they have a lot of street art, so a lot of graffiti, a lot of restaurants and stuff like that. So I went there to get some food and to look at the graffiti on the walls and stuff like that. So coming home, it was in the evening. So coming home, you're walking along straight street, right, and then you cross over like a highway, and then you go through a park. Now the park is not well lit, but it kind of have a few lights here and there, but it's not well lit. But when I came, the driver was telling me how it's extremely safe to walk in Singapore. You can walk after 2 in the morning, no one will trouble you, blah blah blah. So anyways, this is my second night testing it out. It never too late. It was around maybe like 9, there about 9 p.m. So I walking back to my hotel with my bag on my shoulder and stuff. So I was walking through the park, but what I realized from the first time I walked through the park is that there are a lot of like Indians, old, young old men sitting in the park, just relaxing, calling their family back home because they come here and they work and whatever. But tonight it's raining, so there aren't much people in the park sitting down on the grass and relaxing. So I'm walking, but like I'm always watching my surroundings. I'm always clocking everyone around me, and I noticed 2 men sitting down. Right, one lying down on his back, one sitting right beside him. So I clocked the 2 of them. I saw them, and the older one is the one that's sitting up. So he saw me. And then he paused. Alright, so he saw me and he gestured, touched the other friend and said, like, look, but they're talking in their local language. So they're like, look, girl, I pass, whatever. So me clocked them now. I saw them. So I'm gonna switch between Creole and English. I saw them. And my mind always go to fight or flight. Always.
a fight or flight mode, me always in that. Even when me look calm and cool, I always clock people and me always I think say, yo, what me I gonna do? Like, most times, I don't know, coming from Jamaica, like you just never know what a man might try to do. You get what I say? So anyways, I clock him. I saw his friend. So I'm still there walking, because you know, they say it's the safest place and whatever. Walking. Then I realized that he started gesturing to me like he's saying hello, whatever. But me, I was acting as if I don't understand English, right? I mean, I'm not looking back. Full speed ahead. So now what now? And still did I say hello. I mean, I respond. And you know, probably can't see clearly, so I'm probably think whether I'm probably another Indian or black or whatever. So I'm talking in his local language as well, plus English. Anyways, when I was passing, I realized it was one bicycle there. So 2 men, 1 bicycle. Him get up now. Me a side eye. Me now look back and me a side eye. And every now and again, plus me look back and me a side eye. Me a walk. I'm a bachelor. So, him, the older one, jump on him bicycle. Listen, you see him both never have nothing upon me. In English, you see him both too. As the Japanese put it, had nothing on me. I didn't run, but I started to walk really fast. So who is a fast walker in this world? Whoever that is had nothing on me. So I started to walk really fast, you know. And then my brain started thinking like, what am I gonna use for self-defense? So I say my umbrella in my hand because it's rain. So I say, I'm going in my bag. I went into my bag. I pulled out a bottle of water because I had a big bottle of water. So I was thinking, in case of anything, I was going to boom with my umbrella and then boom. And then you know, start thinking, no, come here, calculate. Will I have enough time to do boom with the umbrella and boom? And I said, okay then. You know what? Throw back in the water bucket in my bag. I had my fan. And I was like, this is the umbrella. And I was like, if you come up, I'm gonna boom. Listen, I'm here planning out all of these scenarios and walking fast, planning out these scenarios. The man is riding me down. And this is me. And the bicycle man. Anyways, I'm also thinking that I should stop because it's a trail that people run on. You see a lot of foreigners running on the trail. So I'm thinking that probably I should stop somebody and say, hey, because I did this as well. You know, like if you're a single woman walking alone in a foreign country, it's okay if you like stop somebody and say, hey, can you pretend to be my friend? Because someone creepy is walking or riding behind me. So I think I should do that. Listen, I walk, you see? I walk fast, you see? And then I reach up to walk right through the park. And then I reach up onto the main road and he slow down and stop on his bicycle. And all me I look back. The man stand up over there. I wave and I call me back. What could you want with me? I look like a child. And you're a big man. You could have been my father. Hey, me never gonna fight, you know? Listen, you just have to be alert. You just have to be alert in these streets. And that's how I ran away. Not ran, I walked away from the bicycle man. Always be armed. Alright, we're gonna go. The taxi is coming. It's coming real slow though. It is. And that, my friend, is a wrap.
Equivalent to buying a 99-year HDB apartment.
Jeez.
You know, in Singapore, 90% of the population live in HDB flats, right? Public.
Yeah, I realized that the government funded.
And it's apartments are just as good as the condominiums.
And the pizza. And then we have heavenly one, which is like and then we have wonton. Also like noodles and stuff like that. And then you have the puff factory. That's what it's like. Later, and now we're going to just watch a movie. Yay! So you go to the SkyTrain from Terminal 2 to get to Terminal 3. So this is the SkyTrain. Please wait to call for SkyTrain. So I go inside and go to level 3. So go to immigration. And then go to level 3. So we're trying to get to immigration and to level 3. Okay, so we're turning and go up to level 3. You take the escalator right here. It's a free movie with a transit shower. Alright, when you come on the escalator, I think you go this way. So the movie theater is right here. Whoa. 12 to 204. And just like that. There's no food in the cinema, so I'm gonna get some outside and then go inside. So Ben like was gonna get some speaking and something.
You only want revenge because they beat you. Because you lost.
I have.
Okay, so the quality of the video is not all that, but I wanted to get it out of the way today. As I went to Singapore, tips, what issues did I have? When I went to the airport, them never want to let me in the country. right? They didn't want to let me in because they were a bit confused if Jamaicans can travel to Singapore without a visa. Well, I'm here to say that you can't travel to Singapore without a visa. You don't need a visa if you're a Jamaican with a Jamaican passport to get into Singapore. Right? Just remind the airport people that check Google, it's there. So that was the one thing I had issue with. I fly from Tokyo, Haneda, Tokyo, to South Korea, and then from Seoul, South Korea, to Singapore, and that is where the issue came up, right there in Seoul. So just remind them that if you're a Jamaican and you have a Jamaican passport, you can get into South Korea. Not South Korea. You can get into Singapore without a visa. Whoa, I kind of look crazy right here. So all right, the next thing, Singapore. I budget wise, like me think me the budget 25,000 Jamaican dollar or 30,000 Jamaican dollar, and it was supposed to last me, I think I was there like for 4 days or something like that, and it lasted me the entire time. I was sticking to my budget, right? Food was reasonable, and that did not include like hotel or it didn't include hotel nor airfare. So that was separate. I was just like spending money to buy food and to for transportation. They have Uber there, which is very reliable. I also stayed in the city. I stayed in the what was the name of it? It's somewhere like a red light district. I stayed in the red light district. Yes, I did. But it was the cheapest area. Like Singapore, like the hotels there are expensive. I don't know why. So I stayed in a red light district. Uptown people probably don't want to stay in the red light district, but I was quite comfortable. My room was okay. My room was good. I had a slight issue when it came on to the cleanliness of my shower. I reported it and I got a room change for free. An upgrade as well. The rooms aren't big there, but it's good enough if you're a solo traveler. Comfortable, and I felt safe. I was in the city area, so I could easily go into the town, into the city by walking, or if I wanted to take a Uber. I'm sorry. What else? Singapore. So the food was good. Easy to get around. You need Uber. You can travel without a visa if you're a Jamaican. What else? You can have a small budget and you can get good food there. The people were friendly. The taxi driver was friendly. Quite friendly. You know, I have a story.
So you don't believe in the midnight 2 a.m., 1 a.m. you can carry 20,000 cash, walk on the street, no one will touch you. This is Singapore, right? You can go to a red light area, you walk around, and no one will disturb you, no one will bother you, no one will bully you.
I know that some people, like for younger people, when they travel, they buy food, like local food on the road.
Very cheap, nice.
But is it clean? Like, will I get sick?
100% hygiene.
Okay.
You go to any food store, spend $5. You can see a lot of foreigners. They work here, they eat, they know how to enjoy the local food.
And I won't get sick.
You won't, 100%. Don't worry. It's very, very clean. Singapore, very hygiene. Any coffee shop, you just go in, order, because our health personnel, they'll come and check, They found a cockroach in the store, straight away they give you a fine, plus they suspend you for 2 weeks, cannot do the other business.
Wow.
Very strict Singapore. You see, look at the roof, how clean is it?
It is clean.
Yes, clean and hygiene. You don't worry, midnight you can alone, you walk the whole Singapore, no one will touch you. This is different from America.
Yeah.
The American, they come here, some of them, some army, some other, so their family also stay here. Alright, and they like Singapore so much. It is so safe. Not in America. Never. You dare not to go out in the night time. A lady.
Yeah.
Singapore, don't worry.
Okay, so I have something else to talk about. Wait, I'm tapping. Focus. Yeah, as it relates to Singapore, traveling to Singapore. One, I use Air Asia because I was traveling from Tokyo, Japan. So I use Air Asia. What else? Grab. You need Grab app so you can get around Singapore. That's like their version of Uber. So you get around by taxi or bike. Singapore bike? No, taxi. You use Grab. Or you can walk, depends on where you stay. What else? What other tip about Singapore? So transportation. You change your money at the airport. You get a good rate at the airport. So you can change your money at the airport. What else? For 3 to 4 days, 30,000 yen or 30,000 Jamaican is good enough. What else? And I was having like breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, buy souvenirs and stuff like that. So that's how much work. What else do I want to talk about as it relates to tips? Tip. So, flight. However, on Air Asia, you're going to need, they don't come with, because it's a budget airline, so they don't come with bags, so you have to pay for additional bags. I brought like one check bag and my backpack and my handbag. So you have to pay for extra baggage. But the food from like the price for the airplane food, the airplane food was very good and the price for it was reasonable. So you can, if you want to try out experiment on the meals before you get there, you can try out the airplane food as well. The bike is so loud in the background. What else to mention about Singapore? Flights, budget, transportation. Google Maps work well there, or Apple Maps. What else? Google Maps or Apple Maps work. I use Klook.com Klook.com to get my SIM card. I use them to book any tours I wanted to do. Whenever I'm traveling in Asia, I use Klook for that. Or Get Your Guide is good as well, but Klook mainly for SIM cards. I wasn't really an eSIM girl until I traveled from Jamaica. I got an eSIM when I was going to another country. But I normally get my SIM card at the airport. So in Singapore, you can get your SIM card at the airport. You just arrange it on Klook, pay for it on Klook, and you can pick it up at the airport in Singapore. And you got data. I got data and call time, I believe. And the data ran smoothly while I was there. What else would I say about tips for Singapore? I told you that the regular food, like the street food, was quite good, so you can eat the regular food. I tried a local drink. It had in like coconut, brown sugar, cassava, I think it was cassava or rice, something. It's unique. It has a unique taste to it. It's an acquired taste. Not my favorite sweet, not my favorite drink, but it's good to try local drinks and dishes and stuff like that. So I would recommend that you try it. Don't buy a big one, buy a small one and test it out and see if you like it. What else would I say about Singapore? The people there are quite friendly. I mean, they're okay if you need guidance or not. Ooh, perfume. I was talking about, I don't ever mention long enough, but the Arabian, I'm at so many 10 story in a one. First story, I don't know what happened, but whenever I travel sometime, like my iCloud storage, it full up fast. My iPhone storage full. Can't video, can't take pictures, can't have a good time. So it was hard to get all the clips from Singapore, or when I was traveling to Indonesia or Vietnam or South Korea. Like my phone constantly I full up, so I didn't get much clippings. However, in Singapore, they have Arabian scents, and so they're made from perfume oil, 100% perfume oil. That means that the pure at the highest grade you're getting, and the quality, chef kiss. So they have what's the town called? Arabian town, where you can go. It's along the main street, Jalan Street, I think that's the name of the street, I don't remember. However, it's in the videos, and I will try to put a notation in my videos as well. But I have on that street like a lot of Arabic stores, and so they have perfume stores. The perfume store I went to in the night, I have a few clips from that one. They had, you know, they allowed me to do some testing, and I tried out a few scents, what worked for me. I knew I wanted to bring back some perfume for my mommy when I was coming home for Christmas, so you know I had to get something for her. She doesn't like the floral type scents. She likes some a little sweet, but you know, very, I don't know, adult, sexy, but she doesn't like floral scents. So I told them that allowed me to sniff a few scents and stuff like that. They have all the top brands, the Burberry, the Chanel, the Tom Ford. But then when you smell some of them and you realize that they're mixed with alcohol, because some of them mix with alcohol to a certain degree, they're not fully perfume oil, pure perfume oil. So that's the thing. So I got some, you know, I smelled some of them. He gave me like this mystery one that had like a combination of fruits and stuff like that, and then he asked me to identify what fruits I could smell. Baby, it's like it go up in my nostril, and like it was just amazing. I knew I could smell like orange in it, I could smell like peach, like it smelled really good, really good. And that experience was just wonderful. It was just so cool. The perfumes there they have budget friendly, I have on the higher end. The perfumes there, you have budget friendly, you have medium range, you have higher end. So you have a good balance depending on what you want. I went cheap and I went high, budget and high. And I got 2 for me and 2 for my mother. And then the next day I went to another store and I tried some more, and I think I got 2 more at another store. But the perfumes, chef kiss. Unfortunately, I came to Jamaica. Imagine, I left Singapore, I go back to Tokyo, I come to Jamaica. So the perfume I travel, I go Singapore, Tokyo, America, Jamaica. When I reached Jamaica, one of them broke. One of the bottles, and the thing was, she got me the most. It was a perfume oil, the pure 100% perfume oil. That one broke. My room smelled like perfume oil. Smell really good, but I'm gonna like it for my body. I would like it for my body, not for my curtains. So that was stressing, but my mommy loved hers. I did some videos as well, I think, of it, showing just like how the bottle looks and, you know, stuff like that. She really loved them. They're really good, worth every penny. If you go to Singapore, you have to buy perfume, pure perfume oil, or perfume as well. They have all of them there, the top brands and their original brands, their original mixtures and stuff like that. 10 out of 10 would recommend. 10 out of 10 would recommend. That was one of the main reasons I went to Singapore, when I realized that I could, you know, actually go into the store, test it out and stuff like that. I know that's one of the things on my list to do when I go to Dubai. When I go to Dubai is to go to Old Town, the Old Town, and they have gold streets and perfume streets, and like, so I had to get a little bit of it before I got to Dubai. A little bit of it before I go to Dubai. Worth every penny. I wish I could have gotten more videos of the experience, but just trust what me and say, if you go to Singapore, you need to try that. No, I remember nothing else I want to tell you. I'm kind of a bit stuffy. What else was good? I tried their version of patties. Like, you know, Jamaica have patties. Them have their version. It was actually really good. The beef was actually really good. What other flavor me try? It's in the video. But yeah. Wow. I love traveling. I enjoy traveling. May the good Lord continue to bless my little pockets so I can travel. Make them big pockets so I can go wherever I want to go and get to Dubai soon. What else do I want to say? Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like, share, subscribe, comment if you ever been to like a perfume store where you can actually do like perfume testing and then mix and make like own type of perfume like specifically for you. Tell me what's your favorite scent. You know, I have Chanel and I like Chanel. Jo Malone has this pink bottle. God, I don't remember the name. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to write it in the video. Jo Malone have a perfume in this red bottle. Love it. Love it. Sexy, long lasting. 10 out of 10 would recommend. But those natural, those 100% perfume oils that I got in Singapore, a lot of perfumes that I've come across can't walk in those shoes. Cannot. Anyways, we're not going to go back onto that experience. Tell me what's your favorite perfume or cologne. You know, I actually like colognes as well, because some cologne actually go really, like, pair really well with the perfumes. So yeah, what's your favorite scent? I'm not sure if I'm not a floral girly, because I like floral when it's mixed with something more strong. So I like that combination. So I wouldn't say like a cut off floral completely, but yeah. I don't mind smelling fruity. I had a Gucci Bloom. I think it's Gucci Bloom I had. That was fruity and that smelled real good. Real good. Whenever I put on Gucci Bloom, I got compliments. So fruity, I don't mind fruity. I don't mind mixing it with something strong though. How about you? Anyways, bye. Welcome to my channel. I realized I didn't do an intro for Singapore, so I'm trying to do an intro right now. I didn't do an intro, nor did I do an outro. I'm trying to get my videos in the correct orientation, so bear with me. I hope you enjoy this vlog. I love Singapore. I would go back if I have extra funds. It's not like on the top of the go back list, but I would go back because the food was really good. It was unexpectedly good. I love the fact that they have great perfumes there and a lot of other stuff. The people were friendly. Why wouldn't I go back to Singapore? It was expensive, but you'll see it all in the vlog. It's a bit expensive. But I enjoyed myself there. I love it. I hope you enjoy the vlog. It's in a bit of a like the Instagram orientation, but I try to edit it as best as possible. I hope you enjoy it. I give a lot of tips and tricks at the end of the video, so you have to watch until you get to the end to get all the information. What else? If your questions aren't answered in the last part of the video, just know that you can ask them. Doggy, come on, there's a dog right there. Excuse me, go. I'm making a video. I'm making a video. No. Go. I'm sorry about that. But what was I saying? If your questions aren't answered at the end, just ask them in the comments and I'll be happy to give you all the information. I know all the tips and the stuff. I have a story time about Singapore, but I'm not sure if I want. It was let's give you a hint. It was like out of a movie scene or out of one of those telenovelas type thing. A lot of stuff went on in Singapore. The oven is beeping right now in the background. I hope you enjoyed the video. Watch it until the end so you get all the information. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on my face, on my thumbnail. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on your post notification so you don't miss a video. Okay? I love you. Bye.